Hello, I'm Panic, and I will break down for you this loophole that you just saw a second ago. Let's jump straight into this Worklapse. It is very cool and funny effect to do using all variety of tools in Toonboom Harmony. As you can see, I just created 5 layers and I colored all of them with different colors. As you can see, I just have a circle with a negative space inside where I will go through with the camera. The main part of it is to create a peg and set it somewhere outside of the circle, so I was able to rotate everything to create that loophole in 3D space actually. But the funniest part of it was to create a keyframe and duplicate those pegs, so if I will move one of them, all of them will actually move. So I created 75 layers of those circles, so I had to divide 360 degree by 75 layers, and to make everything spread evenly on the circle I just have 4.8 degree, which I had to apply to all pegs, but obviously I just had to move one peg because all of them was just duplicates. With that being said, I just could animate the camera inside of this loophole kind of, and I just could do a 360 move with the camera, and as you can see I'm adding additional rotation of the camera so it looks like a spaceship going inside of that loophole. It's a really cool effect, and I digged that a little more, and maybe I will do a little more examples on my channel. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Cheers!